Right, so here's our room. Excuse the state of it because I did a video at the beginning of the week and Freddie deleted it, so excuse it. Right, so here's the room. This is one bedroom. This is the kitchen with your TV, okay? Don't ask me why the bed's facing this way and not the TV. We'll get there. That's the wardrobe. That's your little hallway and your mirror. This is your bathroom. You've got a bath and a shower. That's all right. It's a bathroom. This is one twin room. Again, don't judge the rest. All right, Dill. That's the girls' room. Look how messy Scarlett is. So the downfall that we've had. Wait, she's got 2 plug sockets there. Sorry, hang on. Own discussion here. Right, anyway, so what we were saying is the downside to this room, what we thought, or especially what I thought, was the lack of plug sockets. However, there is 2 there, but still it doesn't make much help because there's 2 plug sockets there. Okay, that's for the girls. Dylan's room has no plug sockets at all. Right, no plug sockets. So he's not happy. There is a plug socket here. And there is a plug socket here. And it's the end of the week and I've just discovered a plug socket down here. But there's no plug socket over here, which is weird. So yeah.
So the inner Sammy.
I really feel like trying to move this bed.
No, say it. The inner Sammy.
Right? That's what I like to do. Move beds around.
No, move rooms.
I'm going to end the video here. I may add some more to it after, but I don't know. However, this is... What's this called?
Dumbledore.
No, this room.
Cozy room, isn't it, Compact. Oh, no,
Comfort apartment. It's very bog standard, but do you know what? We're not in here much. It's all right from Monday to Friday. The downside is, for me at the moment, well, for the kids, is the lack of plug sockets. The fact that the bed faces the wrong way.
On the plus side, you are literally a minute walk.
It's so close to everything. This is Oyster Bay, Egret Avenue, number 21.
You're a minute walk.
Yeah. Yeah, literally a minute walk to the pavilion. Yeah. So, yes. Right, I'll leave it there.